Now, before you say I don't have laptop, so I cannot do online jobs, I cannot make money online, let me stop you there. Because this phone you are holding in your hand right now can actually make you enough of the money that can buy you a laptop, all right? And what I'm saying is not next month, not next year. I'm talking about jobs that you can do on your phone right now. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 legitimate online jobs that you can do right from your phone. I'm going to show you the platforms, what you will be doing, and how much people are actually getting paid every single hour. Now let's go into it. Welcome back to my channel, My Money Makers. If you are new here, my name is Favour, the Tech Mom, and on this channel I share the legitimate ways to make money online. I mean remote opportunities, AI tools, and practical tips that can help you build income from anywhere around the world. Now, one of the biggest excuses that people normally give me is, oh, I don't have laptop. Tech Mom. Well, today this video is for you because every opportunity that I'm about to show you can be done directly from your phone. Now, let's start with number 1, conversational tutoring. This is one of the easiest jobs out there, especially for people who can speak English. I don't mean you need to be a professional no. Now, here is the interesting part. You are not teaching advanced grammar, you are not grading assignments, you are simply having conversations. That's it. Now, students from Japan, Italy, South Korea, and other parts of the world, they want to practice speaking with fluent speakers. Now, your job is simply to chat with them. Topics include movies, food, hobbies, travel, everyday life. So if you can hold a normal conversation in English, that means you can do this job. Now, platforms that you can apply, number 1 is Cambly, number 2 is Native Camp. Now, Cambly pays around $10 to $20 per hour. Native Camp usually pays between $3 to $8 per hour. Now, this depends on your rating and the type of sections you had. Even if you work a few hours a day, the income can add up quickly, all right? Now, the second one on my list is mobile testing. Every day, companies, they launch apps, all right? But before they release this app to the public, they need real people to test them. Now, that's where you come in. Now, what you will do is you will receive a testing assignment, all right? The platform will record your screen and sometimes your voice. Then you will complete simple instructions inside the app. As you perform the task, you will explain your experience, the process, how you arrived at it. If a button doesn't work properly, you mention it. If the process feels difficult or tiring, you mention it. That's exactly the feedback companies paid for, all right? Now, you can apply to these platforms, Userlytics and Tester Work, all right? Both platforms accept mobile testers. A standard 20-minute test can pay around $10, all right? More advanced tests and bulk finding opportunities can pay anywhere from $20 to $50 per hour. Now, I want you to take this very important. Tests are not always available every day. That's why I recommend creating accounts on multiple testing platforms so you can receive more invitations. Now, the last one on my list, which I normally tell you guys, they are usually my best, all right? It is called AI microtasks. Now, if you have watched some of my previous videos, you've probably heard me talk about some of these websites. These are small online tasks that helps technology company to train their AI, I mean their artificial intelligence. I've once talked about it. The work is very simple. In fact, that is what many people are now talking about, all right? Because you can actually do it from your phone. Anywhere, anytime. You might be asked to compare 2 images and for you to choose a clearer one. I'm talking about the kind of job that you do. You might verify whether a business location on a Google map is correct. Sometimes you may review images or text and flag inappropriate content. Other times you will help to label photos, videos, so AI systems can learn from them. The good thing about this job is that you don't need a degree. You mustn't be tech wizard. You don't even need experience. You don't need technical skills. If you can follow instructions, you can do this right with your phone. Now, where you can apply to Clickworker, you can apply to Toluca AI, and you can also apply to Luwell AI. Both platforms have mobile apps available on Android and iPhone. Now, how much can you earn? Most micro tax pay per tax, all right? They don't pay you per hour. Most of them pay you per tax. While individual tax don't pay a lot, completing many tasks consistently can add up. Active users often earn between $5 and $15 per day, depending on availability and location. Payments are usually made through PayPal and Payoneer. Now listen, your phone is not just for social media, being on TikTok always, being active on social media. It is not just for watching videos. It is not just for chatting your friends. It is actually a tool for you to make your money online. And every opportunity that I just shared now is available for you to start today with your phone. So there is no excuse. So if you find this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and drop a nice comment in the comment section. And if you have a question, that's pretty fine. Also drop it in the comment section. Now tell me in the comment section, which of these will you go into? Is it the micro tax? Is it the conversational tutoring or mobile testing? Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.